Welcome back, everybody. So today we are reviewing these very cute dog slippers. So the funny thing is, my wife already saw them and she tried them on already, and she absolutely loves them. Like, she really truly loves them, and I told her I need to review them first, just wait. So needless to say, if you want to get them for your spouse or as a gift for the person you love, they're gonna love them. They're absolutely adorable. I mean, they are just cute. And especially if you have someone that's a pet lover or for yourself. So she said they fit perfect. The size was correct. They are super warm, super soft, and she absolutely loves them. So I can't wait to actually officially give them to her. But as you guys can see how cute they are, here you can get a better idea. Absolutely cute. Alright, so these are the slippers. And what's your opinion on them?
I love them.
So my wife loves the slippers. You guys should have seen her when I got them, when they arrived. They fit perfectly on her, and she absolutely loves them. When they first arrived, she was really excited.